What's up, Braden?
You talking to that Uncle Jess?
It's Uncle Jesse, actually.
Say hi, Uncle. Hi. Look at you being in such a good mood now. Yeah, you see the mama. Huh? Are you on camera? Oh, did he get you? You sticky tongue out? I do too. Do kissy faces at mama. Don't, I have it, I can see. Ooh. Hey, you do some kissy faces for mama. You better do it. You know he's watching. Jesse, I know to change his diaper.
He looked at me when I said that.
Come here. Give mama some buns.
Braden.
Say hi, Uncle Jess. My hair's a mess. Say hi. Hi, Uncle. Give me a kiss. Now he's watching you.
Time for your close-up, Braden.
Don't. He's got big nose. Don't, Jesse.
It's zoomed in all the way at his face.
Alright, stop.